what's up? Welcome back to Fabulous, and this is me, Fizasha. We're here doing another video. It's a vlog anyway. Today, we are gonna go and get my sister her early birthday present. Literally early birthday present. I didn't get my early birthday present. Why? Why, mama? Why, mom, dad? Why? And next month is my birthday anyways, guys. If you guys don't know, my birthday is at August 21. Anyways, so after some time, I just got ready, my sisters got ready, and we're gonna go head over to the Grand Avenue. So if you guys want to follow me with this thing, and also there's gonna be an unboxing at the end of the video, make sure you watch till the end. And also if you guys want to know what is the Nintendo Switch does and all this thing, so make sure you watch it. Watch it. Anyways, without further ado, let's just get into the video. We walked all the way from phase 2 to phase 4, and now we're gonna go to Excite and get her Nintendo. That one? Let's go. 170. So guys, we just got the Nintendo Switch and Palak is so damn happy. She's so damn happy. We actually ordered canes right now, so we're gonna be eating that thing. I'm waiting in the queue. They have this 2-meter thing here, so we have to stand in the line for that. And that is my sister there. So we're done for the day. Hey guys, welcome back to Fabulous. This is my possession. Okay, I already did the intro. This is the continuous. This is the last part of the video. Anyways, we have the Nintendo Switch here for Philip, which is the classic one. Yeah, the color classic one, the original. So, if you guys want to know how this retail, we retail for $169.999, which is 170 KD in Kuwait. Yeah. And so we are gonna be unboxing this and showing you guys because we have no content. Palak is gonna unbox this thing for you guys. So let's see. So guys, this is how it looks from the inside. Okay, so we have the Joy-Cons over here and the display, whatever it is. So we have the left Joy-Con, which is in the shade blue. Of course, you guys can see all that. Oh, so this one has the camera, which is almost like a sensor in it. This feels so good. Oh, that really feels good. Oh, did you cute.
And then like you can play Minecraft like this. With
Yep.
players.
Wait, let me show it. Okay, so
Don't touch it, I don't want to switch. And we have the stand over here, so I can pop this off. And then you can
that's
just,
what I have. No.
look, now you can make it as a stand.
Oh. So this is the screen right over here. We have so many stuff. We have charging slot here and the headphone slot, I guess. And then we have the volume and the card. So guys, we have this thing and the Joy-Con over here. So I'm going to be sliding this on.
And it's so satisfying to flip.
Oh, that's so nice! I actually thought of buying this secretly without telling you guys, but you know, Falak just came up with it. Oh my god. Anyway. Oh my god! Wait, which is the top side? Okay, this is the top side. Faha is right in front of us, telling like, give me some. I really want to do this.
Okay, moving
Okay,
on.
moving on. So moving on, we have this thing inside. So we have the HDMI cable here. We have the charging adapter over here. And we have this.
Joy-Con wrist straps.
What?
Joy-Con wrist straps.
Okay.
She
And then
knows it because of watching YouTube.
yeah, she's like 24/7 watching it.
Wait.
So this is the Joy-Con grip. So by the way, to release this, there's two buttons over here. So you just press them.
With this thing, I know what it is. You need to just slide this on over here. That is so
This looks so good.
Then moving on, if we have, what is this again?
Another Joy-Con wrist strap.
Wait, there's something else.
This is the dock.
This is
So
not
this
that.
is kind of like this converts everything that's going on the Switch to the TV.
So it's like a PlayStation, but a
Yeah.
mini
So
version.
you put the HDMI cable inside and then connect it to your TV.
This is the Nintendo dock, which converts everything to the TV. Whatever is going on the display is going to be converting to the TV, which is the HDMI cable. So
So this is the Joy-Con wrist strap. So you know when you're playing like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 Switch and stuff, you know, go the Joy-Con. You just slide it in.
what do you need?
That's the game.
Okay.
Just like that, and you can also play Mario.
Voice note from your best friend at 4 a.m.
It's really nice.
If you want to play 1, 2 Switch, you can play it like this.
Can y'all do it fast because it already has to go charged.
Is that the Nintendo Switch is touchscreen.
So guys, that's it for today's video and the vlog. I hope you all enjoyed watching it. And if you guys want me to do more unboxings and more vlog kind of stuff, make sure you comment down below. And also, don't forget to hit that notification bell on to get notified every single time I post a new video. And guys, until then, we'll see you guys next time in my new video, which is going to be playing with this stuff. If you guys want to
And having like a
see,
family time.
yeah, if you guys want to see how we play this, how we control it, how we put it on the TV and
And
everything.
the whole setup.
Yeah, the whole setup, you should watch the next video. I love you guys. Peace out.